In this video, we are going to take a look at what are some steps that you should take before finalizing any category or niche for your Amazon affiliate site. So if you are in the process of deciding which category or products to choose for your Amazon affiliate site, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So in this video, we are going to take a look at how you should do a research for your niche or your category on which you are trying to build an Amazon affiliate site. So I will walk you through what are the basic steps that one should take before finalizing any category. So before you start any niche site, you should follow at least these steps so that you will know that is this the right category to start in. So let's say we are building a niche website which is based on webcams and mics and everything that is related to video production from home or maybe a small YouTube studio. So one of the keywords in that category would be webcam. Now before doing any keyword research, the first rule is to check your interest, which means that you should at least know that this is a category you want to dive in and create a website around it. But if in case you are not interested in this category or you're just starting it because somebody is also doing that, then make sure you stop it right now because you are not going to build a money earning site out of it. But just in case if you are interested and you want to dive in the keyword research and see what products you can promote, then the first thing you should do is to see what Google suggests you. You can go ahead and use any keyword research tool, but I would prefer to use Google search engine because that's the place people are going to search for any keyword. So this thing is the best place to know about the user queries instead of relying on any keyword research tool. If I just type in webcam, I can see some suggestions from Google. So here are definitely some keywords. So if you just play around with the keyword and start typing with alphabet A, B, C, so you will get a lot of idea for the keyword here. And just like that, if you start typing U, then you will see a good money related keywords. That is webcams under 500, 1000 or 300. So you get the list of all the buying keywords that people might be searching for sure. Now I'm focusing this based on the Indian market. So that's what my research is going to be. So let's say we take this example, webcams under 1000 or maybe 2000. So yeah, we have a keyword for that as well. So let's see if we can find any product related to these keywords on Amazon. So here we are on Amazon India. So we are going to take example of Indian market. Here we will search for webcam under 1000. Do we see any example? Yes, we have few. And that's our rule number 2 to check if the products are available with the price range. Is the price range decent enough? And do these products have decent reviews? So make sure you go ahead and check all the products that you want to promote. See what people are writing in the review section and see if the product is getting decent reviews or not. And if it is a good fit, people are searching for it and getting good reviews, then go ahead and shortlist them for promoting on your affiliate site. Next, and the very important thing, you need to make sure that whatever keyword you are using or whatever category of niche site you are selecting, make sure to check that in Google Trends. Right now, if you just search of webcams in Google Trends for India in the past 5 years, it is showing some constant ups and downs. It's right now in the down. So basically, it's a general trend that you should see. There should not be a crazy uptick or a crazy downfall of that search term or that topic. Now, if in case you are satisfied with this trend, then you know that this is not a seasonal product. So this is not something that people are just buying on Christmas or on New Year. This is something that people always search for. And if you scroll down, you might get some keyword options here as well. So go ahead and check that as well. You might find some brand as well as some buying keywords. And once you are satisfied with this trend that it is not a seasonal product, then we can jump onto keyword research tools. So you can use any free or the paid tool as you like. But for a beginner, I would suggest you stick with free tools first. But if in case you have budget, you can go ahead and buy any keyword research tool. And if you want to start free, here is one, that is Href. And not many people know that Href also have a free keyword generator. So you can go ahead and check that as well. So go ahead and search for free keyword generator href and you will land up on this page. And here you can type in the keywords that you want. Let's say we use this webcams under 1000, location. Right now I will select India. And now you see I get few keyword options here, and keyword difficulty is showing pretty good. Volume is pretty decent. So go ahead and target low volume keywords first so that it'll be easy for you to rank. And you can play around with the number here, maybe 1000, 2000, something like that. So go ahead and create your own list and see what keywords comes up. So maybe you can just type in under and see the general list here. So you will find a good amount of keyword from the free tool here itself. Other than that, you can also use Ubersuggest. It also provides you good data. So here, if you just search for this keyword for India, so this is the data it shows. It's a pretty competitive keyword. So you need to plan the content accordingly. You can go ahead and view all keyword ideas here and look for if there is any low competitive keyword and start with these keywords that are in green. So pretty much the same keyword as we mentioned, but just some extra text here. So you can play around with this and you can come up with some good list of keywords. Right now we have 26 suggestions just by using this keyword. And if we just enter the general term, so here you will find 523 webcam related keywords. So you can go ahead and check all of them and see which one you can start with. And surely this is just a small keyword from the complete category of video production. You can do the same for mics. You can do the same for maybe the softwares for video production and what are the accessories required. So based on your category, you can go ahead and shortlist the products and the keywords based on that. So based on all this research, you can list down your keywords and start creating content around it. So this is a very basic process that one can do before diving in any niche or category for building the Amazon affiliate site. And to summarize all this rule, first you should check if you are interested in this category or niche or not. Second, you should check if Google is suggesting some buying keywords on that product or on that keyword that you are trying to target. And third, check if there is a Google trend of seasonality. If the product is a seasonal product, then better avoid it and go for some evergreen products or keywords. And fourth, check the Amazon product listing if they have some decent amount of product in that category, or all these products should have a good amount of reviews and decent mixed amount of reviews. And fifth, go ahead and check the keyword research tools and see what keywords you can use to create content around it. So by following these simple rules, you can easily come up with a niche idea. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.